this album was taking me about a year and a half to work on. My last album was in 2012. That album was titled The Revelation. The album that spawned Overa and Money Macha Kimima album. This is a 17-track album, 15 original tracks and 2 bonus tracks. A lot of people on the album. There's Casper Milvest from South Africa, there's Boosie from South Africa, there's MI, there's Davido, there's Shay, there's Fino. There's a lot of people from Nigeria on there as well. From Ghana, I have Papi Kojo Njorobi on there. I have Freya Ponta on there. I have Castro on there as well. Album comes out on the 12th of January. It's a mix of a lot of different genres. There's a lot of hip hop on there. There's a lot of high life. There's 2 high life records on there. There's house music. There's hip hop music as well. And I'm looking to put this out strategically in different markets on the African continent. That's why I collaborated with so many musicians from different countries. There's also an artist from Tanzania, called Vanessa MD on the album as well. We're trying to do East Africa, we're trying to do South Africa, we're trying to do West Africa. Like the Ghana boy, big shout out, salutations to East Africa.
C'était ma attention.